Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gnar in Wild Rift. Gnar offers a dynamic playstyle, shifting between a nimble mini form and a powerful mega form. Understanding his rage mechanic is key to mastering his kit. You'll learn to effectively poke enemies in mini form and then unleash devastating crowd control and damage when you transform into Mega Gnar. This guide will help you dominate the lane and team fights. When playing Mini Gnar, your primary goal is to harass enemies and farm safely. Utilize your boomerang throw, which is your first ability, to poke opponents and apply a slow, making it easier to land subsequent attacks. Your third ability, Hop, provides excellent mobility for escaping ganks or repositioning in skirmishes. Remember to keep your distance and build up your rage bar for a powerful transformation. Once Gnar transforms into his mega form, your playstyle shifts dramatically. You become a frontline tank with significant crowd control. Your first ability, Crunch, lets you leap into the fray, stunning enemies upon landing. Follow up with Wallop, your second ability, for another area of effect stun. The ultimate ability, Gnar, is incredibly impactful, aimed to throw enemies into walls for extended stun durations, setting up team fight wins. For Gnar's itemization, focus on a blend of damage and tankiness. Black Cleaver is a core item, providing armor reduction and health. Sterax Gauge offers a crucial shield for survivability in team fights. Dead Man's Plate enhances your mobility and provides a slow effect. For runes, Conqueror is an excellent choice for sustained damage, while Conditioning and Tenacity runes further boost your resilience in combat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.